This tutorial shows you how to download and set it up for secure private browsing. First, open your browser. Go to your chosen VPN provider's website. After that, click Download or Get VPN. From there, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. At this point, open the downloaded setup file. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. In the next step, click Install. Following this, wait for the installation to complete. Once done, open the VPN app once it's installed. From here, sign in with your account or create one if you're new. At this stage, select a server location from the list shown. Keep in mind, choosing a server closer to your actual location usually gives you faster connection speeds. Finally, click Connect to activate the VPN and start browsing securely. And that's it. If this guide helped you install a VPN on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.